Are you spending more time managing your coaching business than actually coaching? Let me show you 5 AI tools that can free up your time, starting today. Welcome to AI Tech School. I'm Krish Moodley, and I help coaches like you simplify and scale using AI. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful tools that can cut your admin time and boost your efficiency. If you're a coach juggling multiple clients, managing schedules, writing content, and trying to stay organized, AI can help. You don't need to be a tech expert. With the right tools, you can simplify your day, get more done, and improve the experience you give your clients. Here are 5 AI tools you can start using today to improve your coaching efficiency. First up, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal assistant that never sleeps. ChatGPT can do more than just chat. It's like a digital assistant that helps with writing, brainstorming, planning, and more. Use ChatGPT to draft client emails, brainstorm content, build coaching session outlines, and prep for difficult conversations. You don't need to be techie. Just type what you need. For example, write a welcome email for a 3-month coaching client. Done. Alright, next up, Notion AI. This is basically your digital HQ. It keeps your entire coaching business super organized. Notion is already a flexible workspace, but with AI built in, it becomes even more powerful. With AI, it can summarize session notes, auto-create task lists, and even help you plan out programs and resources really fast. No more sticky notes all over the place, just clean, simple structure. Think of Notion AI as your brain's second screen. It keeps your business organized without adding any extra pressure. Tool number 3 is TidyCal. Now, scheduling calls really shouldn't be a headache, right? Managing your calendar manually is such a time drain. TidyCal makes it way easier by letting clients book time based on your availability. With TidyCal, your clients book directly from your calendar. No more endless back-and-forth emails. And those intake forms, they help you prep before the session even starts. It's simple, smart, and honestly saves you hours every single month. Alright, so AI is a game changer. It records your Zoom or Meet sessions and gives you searchable transcripts. Fireflies.ai note-taker turns your meeting into an automated knowledge base. You don't need to take notes during client sessions anymore. Fireflies.ai records your Zoom or Google Meet calls and creates accurate summaries. Here's what you can do with it. Review past conversations to track client progress, highlight action steps and send summaries to clients, and use transcripts to improve your coaching sessions. This lets you focus fully on your client while AI handles the documentation. No more scribbling notes. You can review conversations, track client progress, and send follow-ups in minutes. Finally, tool number 5. If you create content for your coaching business, Canva's Magic Write tool can help. It's built into Canva's design platform and can generate written content inside your projects. Use Canva to create Instagram captions, write quick blog intros or video scripts, and add headlines to your lead magnets or ebooks. You can do all of this while designing your content visually. No switching tools. It saves time and keeps your brand consistent. Canva keeps your visuals and content flowing without jumping between tools. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. You don't need to master all 5 tools today. Just pick one and start. The more you integrate AI, the more time you'll have for what really matters, your clients. Leave a comment on which tool you are starting with, and also let me know which tool or tools I should do a deep dive video on. If you found this helpful, like the video, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with the tool you're going to try first. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you found the video useful, and give it a thumbs down if you do not like the content. This helps me improve future content, and subscribe to the channel for more content to help you. AI Tech School, where coaching meets smart tech. See you in the next video.